All right,
So
so
you do the
underneath the README,
first,
right?
yeah, first method.
Okay, so I'm gonna do, you know, I guess type in the bundle install or whatever. Uh,
Do we need to do that?
whatever
Like
the
this is just a simple Ruby script. I don't think we need
I
to
have
like
no
do.
idea.
Yeah, I don't think we need to do all those. Um,
Well, it doesn't take long. So let me
okay.
just. Okay. All right, so starting on the first one, as far as define the method summary.
Okay, read
Uh,
me.
oh, okay.
Some. Yeah. Like,
Take
did you
array of
like
integer.
did you use like the brute force algorithms, or did you
I
just
got
use?
yeah.
Hello?
I got and then I did initially the first one was kind of like the brute force, old fashioned C type, and then the other ones were using Ruby something. So, okay.
I think brute force is enough like for this homework because I mean they just want us to like know how to work with the language, I guess. So
Yeah.
efficiency is not really a priority.
Well, okay. The other two are like one liners anyway. So,
Yeah.
so iterating over the array. And just that's essentially brute force. Uh, they had this recording. Uh, yeah, it was now. Okay. So there was one project
Your
and another way.
your connection is really bad. I
Huh?
can't hear you properly. Like your voice is like you're cutting off. Like
Oh, okay. Sorry.
it's a really
All
shitty
right.
connection. You're
Yeah. Tell. And the Wi-Fi is probably being used by quite a bit. Okay, so now that was the thing coded. So to run the RSpec test, I guess we just have to type that. Uh, I mess up.
I don't know. The
Expect nil to 0.
first
Okay.
one. Some returns correct sum. Expected nil to be kind. Acha, it's returning nil.
Yeah.
So I think you should. You're not considering like empty arrays. Like, what if the array is empty? You should return zero, right? Is it? Uh,
I think that
yeah,
they
yeah.
should
This
return
should
0.
work.
Yeah.
Return zero. Yeah, this looks okay.
Yeah,
Why isn't it working?
I don't
All right.
know. Because it worked before.
Okay, so if array length is 0, it is returning 0. Yes. I don't see any problems with it.
Yeah.
Return. Mm, why is it returning nil? I mean, expect sum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to be a kind of fixed number. Expected nil
Mhm.
to be a kind of fixed. So it's returning nil for some reason. Did you save it? You didn't save the file.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, that's why. Duh. Hang on.
Oh, there you
There we
go.
go.
So do I do the next?
Yeah, you go ahead.
Right. So I should share my screen now, right? For the
I don't know.
yeah
I
for
think if you're,
no for the
I,
video for the video Google is recording your screen now. So
I
when
think, but
I'm
if
doing
you're
it,
on,
oh, acha,
but
like
you,
yeah, it's the
yeah,
same,
you
I
should
guess.
be inside my thing.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, all right. Max to sum. All right. Uh, so I should figure out the maximum two numbers and return their sum.
Oh, there's some. Yeah. Or if it's
Mm,
empty or nil, you return zero, and then if it only has one element, you just return that
yeah.
one value.
Else, else if it's one turn, yes, array 0. Just typing in a 0 is will work, right? I mean, it looks weird, so I should like just a 0.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh, and then the else
yeah.
if, yeah, should the
Maybe I should
length is
like
one.
sort and so return the last two uh, yeah last add the last two elements and return it.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
So minus one plus minus save.
You can also.
Okay, so I can also.
No, that's fine. Okay, on line 17, it's the array length equal one.
Oh, sorry. Yes, it's okay. I mean, this is not the most efficient way of doing it, but this
But
is
it
like the
works.
yeah, that's enough. Like, this is like
Okay.
n log n, I think. Big O of n log
Yeah.
n. Like, it could be done in big O of n, like two passes, but this is like the easiest way.
Okay.
So we test it, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's not the what's
Oh,
is the thing
so how do I test this one? I forgot.
change 5 to 23.
23. Okay. How's like what does this mean? Like the 23?
I think it's like line number or something on the. Let me put it up there so we can see. Um,
Okay, it's
on the
working.
spec. Yeah, cool. And so yeah, so essentially that colon 23 is telling it to start from line 23 as far as the test here. You see
Uh,
the
Start or
test.
finish?
I think it's start, and then it
But
probably
the yeah method is
it's
starting from line 13.
on 13 on what? Oh, you
Like
mean
the
an R file?
yes.
I'm looking at this one, the part one underscore spec Ruby. So the test.
Oh, right, right. The test for the okay method.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Okay. Yay. All right. So Ruby, the next one is,
okay. You do this next one.
yeah, yeah.
Are we
So it's
doing this right? Like, I don't know the proper way of doing pair programming.
I don't either. Okay. So define the method. So it's going to return a Boolean, takes an array of integers and additional integer n as argument, returns true if any two elements in the array sum to n, return
Uh,
false if any value of n.
I mean, we could
Okay.
use binary search, like sorted, but it'll like be a little more work. So whatever.
Well, that's okay. Let me see. The one I did,
Did you just do the brute force or like did you optimize?
I don't know. I'll write it out and then you can decide whether it's a brute or an optimize.
Okay.
All right. So, okay, so obviously, so the for loop, right? I'm going through. Oh, I need
Yeah,
to
the
learn how to.
first.
So I'm taking the array and I'm going to pop off the or shift or whatever like that. I'm taking the first element off of the array and putting it into a variable called front.
Okay.
And then I'm going to add, everything else. I'm going to step through the rest of the array and then add the number, add that number to it.
I think you should do a instead of the curly braces, you should like put do end. That's the
Um,
Ruby. That's like the Ruby convention for blocks,
that's
like
Yeah, I could
multi
do the do
and
end, but I wanted to break it off. I was kind of like didn't like seeing so many.
like curly braces are used for like single line blocks, and do ends are used for multi lines, like blocks that have multiple lines, multiple statements. Anyways, this will work.
uh, Oops. Arg. Yeah, I could take your suggestion and save it before running the test.
Like this will
Um,
work. It's just a convention. Like I read about it somewhere. I don't know.
okay, 42. Okay. So you're saying replace, you want to, one way of doing it, put the do and then the and thing there
Yeah.
in place of the curly brackets.
Yeah. I mean, it's the convention. It's like this is also all right.
Yeah, because, yeah, I mean, they end up doing the same things. It's just, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
So yeah. So the next one is hello. What does hello do? Okay. Define method sum to n. Define method hello that takes a string representing a name and returns the string hello. Seriously? Representing a name and returns the string hello. Okay. Mm, there you go. This should work. Sum to n. Then where's hello? Okay. Oh, this is part two. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Part two. Line three. This is line three, right?
Yeah, I didn't
For
look
the
at the README.
for the test. Part two.
Uh-huh.
Spec. Describe. Okay. Line three. Right.
Yay!
Works.
That's it.
So maybe I should do the second one too because this was like.
If you like, it's okay by me. Either one. Do you want to do it?
Alright, so yeah.
Okay.
All right. So starts with the consonant. So I think we'll need the regular expression, right?
Okay.
So if s dot length is 0, so first I check for the false conditions, like, or
Okay.
if it's hmm, I should look at ribbler.com. I'm looking up the reference for regular expressions.
Okay.
So any if it's any one non-word character, it should return false, right? If it has any
Mm-hmm.
non-word character, it should return false. So it is mm, backward slash capital W, big W. Okay. So S. How do you compare regular expressions? Okay, like this. Then if it has wait if it any non-word character that's big W has any
Mm-hmm.
non-word character. Hmm, okay, wait. Start of line is caret symbol. G. Uh, consonants. The text is with the and false otherwise. So it should work for both upper lowercase and non-letters.
Mm-hmm.
has even it has any non-word character which either false or else equals. Oh, sorry. Starts with the sorry.
No, no problem.
Star. So it starts with a so AEIOU or AEIOU. Then it's okay. So if it is the case, it should return false. Else turn true. And okay, let's check. If it starts with a symbol, a non-word symbol, then it returns false. All right. If it starts with A E I O U or big A E I O U, capital A E I O, it should return false. Okay, it seems okay. All right. I did this a few days ago, so I don't really remember everything. I could look up
Okay.
the old code, but anyways.
Yeah.
All right. So 16. 16. Oh, it works.
Yay! We got it. Okay. On line 45, where you're checking for the empty array with the s length equals 0. That one,
Yeah.
yeah. Another thing you could do, because it's an array thing, is s dot empty question mark, and so
Oh,
then that returns true if it's empty and false.
oh, that's pretty neat. Oh, oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So, um,
So, is there any
yeah.
other
All right.
improvement that I can do?
Uh, eh, well, the way, yeah, I guess that'd probably do it. That'd be okay.
All right. So you do the next one.
Okay. Uh, Binary multiple 4 takes a string, returns true string, number multiple 4. String is not a valid binary number. Okay. I'm gonna put a second. Do you know regular expressions well, or
Uh, I it's sure, but yeah.
because you want me to say explain what I'm writing? Or I mean,
No, I understand this.
okay. Uh,
So you're basically checking if it's a binary number, right?
the first one up here, yeah, checking to make sure that it only from the
Yeah, all of them are zeros
beginning,
or ones. Yeah.
yeah, it has to be made up of zeros or ones.
All
I
right.
think
So
I'm
if the
old, huh?
last two digits are zeros, okay, so they're
Yeah, and then
divisible by
before
four.
that has to be yeah.
Okay.
So I mean, yeah. So right, it has to be four
Yeah. Oh,
here in
yeah.
binary.
Right. If you shift by to the left, you multiply by two. Right. Yeah. Yeah.
I could write the word "or" here, huh, instead of doing the two pipes.
Yeah.
It probably makes it readable. Okay, so yeah, so the first part, like is like you understood, I'm making sure it's made
Yeah.
of
If the
and
last
then
two digits are zero, then it's divisible. Uh, and the next one is if
just the single
okay.
they do is zero by
Yeah.
itself.
Okay.
Okay, so what's the test number? Oh,
I what I did
okay.
was like I used like Ruby has this built-in string method which like
Uh-huh.
converts from binary to decimal. I just converted to decimal and just
Oh, really?
yeah.
Dude, okay. Um, so it's in the method string.
Yeah, it's
Class.
wait a minute. So it's the I think it's the 2I method. Like two
Okay.
integer. So
Uh-huh.
you have to pass in the base. So in this case the base is 2, right? So if
Okay.
you
Binary.
pass 2 as an argument to the two integer method, it will just return the decimal value, and then you could just use
Oh,
modulo.
okay. Uh-huh.
I mean, that's why my code is like much shorter, but this is more efficient, I guess. I don't know.
Well, I don't know if it's efficient. It's just
Right,
learning.
yeah.
uh,
So it goes like this.
okay.
I'll show you in the terminal. Okay. So
Okay.
oh, sorry. I need like IRB, right? So IRB.
Mhm.
So for example, 101. This is 5, right? So
Mhm.
so 2I.
Oh, okay.
So if you pass in the base, which is 2, so it returns 5. Can you see it?
Um. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay, that's it.
Okay. And then you compare that to whatever you've got left. Ah, all right. Cool. So we got the part three, the bookie thing. Which part do you want to? What do we do?
You start. Yes.
Okay. Um. Is it just? So I'll do the initializing thing.
Mm, hold on. Part 3, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Define a class book in Which is the first. Just could just so
I'll
there.
put
I
the
think we need just two methods, right? We need to define like
the
two methods
constructor.
in total.
Yeah, the constructor, and then the price is string.
Okay, which one do you want to do?
Um, sure, I'll do the constructor.
Okay.
All right. Ooh. There goes the return. Okay.
So the coding boot camps in the US, like they're
Oh.
claiming, yeah, so they're claiming that they can make you a professional software engineer within like 3 months, and you'll get like 100K like dollars per year salary. Like, are they like for real? Like, how can you become a software engineer within just 3 months? Like, are they like
I don't. I mean, it's.
they're claiming that their students get like on average more than 100K. For example, there's this school called Hack Reactor, I think. I went to their website, so they're claiming that their students on average, after just 3 months of training, they're getting like 100K per year. Like that's like Facebook level salary almost.
Yeah.
How is that even possible? Like within 3 months, that's like one semester, less than one semester.
Yeah. I. Yeah, I really don't know whether I have it all on probably one line and it'll truncate. Okay. How do I, or, let's make changes.
What is doing? Okay, finish.
Yeah, what's,
Try convert. What is this doing? Like,
so it's essentially checking to see if you can change can you take the object and can you convert it in, or can you convert the ISBN into a string?
oh, right. Okay.
Okay, I think that should be it. then that's what. All right, now try to run the test. Okay.
Okay, it works.
Yeah.
Right. So the next.
Anything you want to go over?
Um.
Or does it all make sense?
It 2f is like two float, right? Floating point number.
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it makes sense. All right. So I should start. Okay. I'm not writing any comments. Is that a problem? I mean, will they
No,
like
I don't.
deduct marks for this?
I
Okay, so
don't
they have
know.
this
I have no
these
idea.
four. Yeah, so they have these four criterias that you have to meet. Were you programming for homework one? Okay. Did you have a pair partner? Did you rotate driver navigator roles frequently, at least once
Hmm.
every 15 minutes? We did that, right? We frequently
We're
changed
doing.
our.
Yeah. Yeah, we're doing it right now. Like once for each method or something.
Yeah,
Because
that's
these things.
yeah. So did you communicate effectively? I guess I'm not very good at
Yeah.
communicating. Okay, so the next one. Price as a string. Price as string. Price as include a method price that returns the price of the book formatted leading dollar sign and two decimal places. That is a price of 20. Okay. Hmm. All right. So it should be like two lines, I guess. Line prices string copy price and string. So prices takes in an argument. No arguments. Acha. Oh, the instance method is that. So how do I return this? Okay, so I should return just a string with the dollar sign and format it to. Okay, format it to point 2 points for decimal. Okay. Um, point two f. Oh no, not a comma. And okay, so I cheated on this one. I looked up code because I forgot how to format strings in Ruby.
Oh, that's okay. I mean,
I
yeah, I
mean,
kind of like Googled the thing too, and it had the
I
split
mean, it's
down.
my code, right? I did it like 5 days ago, so I forgot.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that's not cheating. It's my code.
Right,
Anyways,
right, right. I mean, you did it. You worked through it before or something like
yeah.
that. So, yeah.
Mm, this should work. I mean, it worked before.
Well, how come it's kept the X? What's it?
But that's a hash.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's saying there's like a syntax error or something like that, but I don't know why.
Oh, it's not saying anything here.
I don't know. Okay.
Okay.
Well,
So this is part three, right?
yeah.
Okay. So price and string is 36 part three. Okay. What? Uh,
Yeah, that's I guess somehow the way it's formatted or typed or something.
it's gonna change the previous command. This is 36. Okay. But Why isn't
Yeah.
acha?
Somehow the syntax here is saying something's wrong.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, it shouldn't be. There should. Oh, acha. Alright. Sorry, forgot the semicolons.
That's all right.
Not the semicolons. The uh, double quotes.
Oh,
Oh, there should be a double quote here.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now the syntax error thing went away. Hopefully that'll work.
What? Okay. Point two. Oh,
We
I forgot the percent sign. God. Okay, that was embarrassing.
no. It's fine.
Okay, so we're done, right? Do we need to do
Um.
something else?
Yeah. I think we just had to make sure we had these.
All right.
What happened there? And then I think we're done.
ISBN and price. Yeah.
And then to run all of it is what?
So I hope this is recording, or else.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. Oh, and then I'll give you the link when it. Oh, hang on. Maybe it'll give it to me here. Um,
Like
I'm gonna type into the chat.
yeah, if you get the link, can you like send it to me over email or?
Oh, can you see the chat?
Oh yeah, I can.
So I put the link for the YouTube thingy. You got it?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Once we stop, it should upload to that. Okay. So,
All right,
um, now
save
let
it.
me go back and yeah. Go do something. Uh, bang 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 bang.
So are you planning on getting the verified certificate?
I don't know. I guess it depends on how well I do. How much was it? I forgot. We have to pay for it.
$99. It's not that
Oh,
hard. Like I'm actually like I like signed up for a previous like archived version, and I'm actually done with all the
mhm.
homeworks like except the last one. The
Okay.
last one is a bit tricky, like testing RSpec testing. They
Mm.
You have to like test Rails app.
Okay,
It
I'm
can
gonna stop the broadcast. Okay, so that we can upload the thing. I mean, we'll still be on. We can talk
all right,
afterwards, but it will be recorded.
all
Okay.
right, all right.